Welcome to the session. The content heading is Python Programming. I am Padmini, lecturer, Department of Computer Science, Sita Lakshmi Ramaswamy College. Python Programming. The introduction about Python. Python is a popular programming language, general purpose, high level programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 and further it is developed by Python Software Foundation. It was designed with an code readability and its syntax which allows the program to express its concept in fewer lines of code. Python is an interpreted, interactive, object-oriented programming language which incorporates modules, exceptions, dynamic typing, and very high-level dynamic data types and its classes. It supports multiple programming paradigms beyond the object-oriented programming, such as procedural and functional programming. Python is a versatile, high-level programming language which is known for its simplicity and readability. It supports multiple paradigms, making it suitable for various applications from web development to artificial intelligence. Python extensive standard library facilitates the rapid development. Its dynamic typing and automatic memory management enhances its productivity. Python source file uses .py as extension, which is called as the modules. The data types that is present in the Python programming language. Variables can hold values of different types, which is called data types. The basic types are numbers and strings. The 5 standard data types supported by Python, which includes numbers, string, list, tuple, and dictionary. Based on the data types of the variable, the interpreter reserves the memory for the data type, assigning or initializing values to the variable. The values is assigned to a variable using the symbol equal to sign. Multiple assignment. Python allows the programmer to assign a single value to more than one variable simultaneously. Boolean. Boolean is another data type in Python. Boolean can have one of the two values, that is true or false. Reserved words. In Python, there are certain words which have a predefined meaning. These words, which are also known as reserved words or keywords, and assert, break, class, continue, def, del, from, if, elif, else, return, raise, pass, print, not, try, while, for, with, is, except, lambda, or, finally, executive, global, local, and import are the various reserved words present in the Python programming language. Introduction to Python operators. Operators are symbols used to perform operation on variables and values. There are several types of operators in Python: arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operators, assignment operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. Arithmetic operator, which performs a mathematical operation: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, modulus, and exponentiation. When I have a variable c is equal to a plus b, in this process a, b, c are the variables. Comparison operator. Comparison operator, which also known as the relational operator, which is used to compare two values and determine the relationship between them. The symbols are equal to, not equal to, greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, and lesser than or equal to. Logical operator. Python supports 3 logical operators. The logical expressions are evaluated from left to right. Logical and the statement is true when all the conditions are true. Logical or the statement is true if any one of the statement is true. Logical not the complementary statement. Assignment operators. Assignment operator is also known as in-place operators or shortcut operator, which is used to assign a values to a variable. The operators are assign, add and assign, subtract and assign, multiply and assign, divide and assign, modulus and assign. Bitwise operator. The operate on bits and perform bit by bit operation. Bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, bitwise not, left shift and right shift. Left shift, it is used to shift the bits to the left. Right shift, it is used to shift the bits to the right. Membership operator. Test if a sequence is present in an object. In, return true if a value is found in a sequence. Not in, return true if a value is not found in the sequence. Identity operator. It is used to compare objects memory location of the object. Is, return true if both the variable are same object. Is not, return true if both the variables are not the same object. Here we have a program for arithmetic calculation. In this place, A and B, the values are obtained from the user and it is used to print the addition of two values, subtraction of two values, multiplication of two values, division of two values, modulo division of two values. The two inputs are obtained from the user and the result is printed using the print statement. Another program we have Python program to find greatest of three numbers. Three different value is obtained from the user using the input statement. If A is greater than B and greater than C, the value A is greater. If B is greater than A and B is greater than C, the value B is greater. If not, the else statement, the value C is greater. Python programming input function. Python make use of the input function. It prompts the user to provide some information on which the program can work and give the result. Input function takes user input as a string. Comment. Comments are the non-executable statement in a program. Operations on string in Python. Like numbers, we can also manipulate string by performing operations on them. We have a string concatenation, string multiplication and string slicing. The process of combining two strings is called as string concatenation. String multiplication is also known as string repetition. The asterisk operator is used to multiply the string. Extraction of a subset of string by using the slice operator. Python programming. Python supports both function-oriented and structure-oriented programming. It has a feature of dynamic memory management which can make use of computational resources efficiently. It is also popular with the operating system and the various platforms. In conclusion, Python is a programming language that is a highly versatile and can be used by many programmers across the board. It can be used in multiple fields. Overall, Python is the must-learn language. Thank you.